bolts of the AC unit here actually fell inside the pit of doom. Like, this is the real pit of doom. So I was able to just run the wire from here for now. I'm probably gonna drill a hole inside of the pen holder here because nobody's gonna ever use that. We also thought of drilling a hole right through these that are not used, but it's kind of complicated in the background. So here we go with the music. Everything works good from what we see. Everything works good. The only thing that doesn't work up to now would be the Google Maps. We have to figure out why this is not doing the thing. It says we're in offline mode, even though it says here that we have 10 satellites connected. But we could still figure that out in the after. What is this, Mr. Patrol? Anyways, it's a big Apple CarPlay, big Android Auto thing, guys. So there's a lot of things to figure out. We have to... wow, the time actually fixed itself. 6:32. That's actually the exact time. And as you guys can see, everything fits literally perfect. I told you guys 99%. Well, that's actually like 100%. I'm not even joking. This looks like it was made for this. I don't know if my friend took the old casing out and put this one in for me to help me out, but actually looks very, very good, guys. So you have, of course, the Bluetooth to do the phone calls. You have your music. You could start, stop, all of your things. There is somewhere for the Apple CarPlay, but I believe we're missing something to make it work. It says please insert the box into the USB port. So I think that's what we're missing. And then lighting up, you guys. So about 99% of this area, which the old lot of space here, temperature things and stuff like that. Alrighty guys, so we got everything connected back here. So we figured out that my friend forgot to give me the adapter. So where is that? So there's an adapter that needs to go into here for the Apple CarPlay because this is an Android station. So in order to run the Apple CarPlay, you do need that. We got the microphone plugged in. We also have the GPS plugged in. We're just gonna have to figure out this wiring mess. I'll probably run the microphone off to the side here and right over here facing towards the driver, which would make the most sense. So everything's working pretty neat, pretty nice. We'll put everything back together, guys, pretty much the same way. You want to make sure that these clip, you push them onto the top right over here. Same thing as the other one. Make sure to put back your little cup thingy here, and that's pretty much it. So let's put everything back together and we'll see you guys at the final result.